Welcome back to What Was That Explained, where we break down the biggest news, trends, and stories in a way that actually makes sense. Today, we're diving into the retail world, specifically why Joann Fabrics and JCPenney are closing stores across the country. Is this just another sign of the retail apocalypse, or is there something else going on? Let's get into it. For decades, Joann Fabrics has been a go-to destination for craft lovers, DIY enthusiasts, and small business owners. But recently, the company has been shutting down stores across multiple states. So what's happening? First off, Joann, yes, without the fabrics, in its official name now, has been struggling financially for years. The company is drowning in debt, and its sales have been on the decline. The COVID-19 pandemic actually gave Joann a brief boost when everyone was stuck at home crafting, but that was short-lived. Now, with inflation driving up costs and fewer people spending on hobbies, Joann has been forced to shut down underperforming locations. In fact, some reports suggest that Joann's financial struggles could lead to more closures in 2024 and beyond. Now here's a big question. Are they going to go bankrupt? Not officially, but they're in trouble. Their stock price has plummeted, and in 2023, they even had to restructure their finances to avoid collapse. If things don't turn around, a bankruptcy filing could be on the table, which means even more store closures could be coming. Joann's strategy now is to focus on keeping its best performing locations open while cutting costs everywhere else. But will that be enough? Only time will tell. Now, let's talk about JCPenney, the department store that's been a part of American malls for over a century. JCPenney has been on life support for years. They filed for bankruptcy in 2020 and barely survived thanks to new ownership. But even with that fresh start, the company hasn't been able to compete with online shopping and changing consumer habits. Recently, JCPenney announced another wave of store closures. These aren't random. They're part of a larger plan to focus on profitable locations and cut dead weight. The problem, JCPenney is still struggling with outdated stores, declining foot traffic, and competition from discount retailers like TJ Maxx and online giants like Amazon. JCPenney's biggest issue is that it never really adapted. While companies like Target and Walmart modernized their stores and embraced online shopping, JCPenney was stuck in the past. Even its attempts to rebrand in the 2010s, remember when they got rid of sales and tried a fair pricing model, completely backfired. Now, with malls struggling and department stores falling out of favor, JCPenney is stuck in a loop of trying to survive while slowly fading away. Joann Fabrics and JCPenney closing stores are just two more signs that traditional retail isn't what it used to be. With online shopping, changing consumer habits, and economic uncertainty, a lot of brick and mortar stores are struggling to stay relevant. But that doesn't mean all hope is lost. Some retailers are thriving by adapting, focusing on e-commerce, revamping their stores, and offering unique in-store experiences. The question is, can Joann and JCPenney do the same before it's too late? So what do you think? Are Joann and JCPenney doomed, or can they make a comeback? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Give us a review on your favorite podcast platform. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of What Was That Explained. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.